Today, we're diving into an exciting tool developed by Naif J Alotaibi, the image generator based on GPT technology. If you're a beginner looking to create stunning images effortlessly, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Here we are once again at the Explore GPT section. There are two ways to find that specific GPT. Either currently at this time of filming, you scroll down until you find, here we go, the image generator, this one specifically in the trending section. Or you could go up to the search bar right here and type in image generator, there we go, until you're able to see the exact search result right here. Then click Start, and let's get started. Let's create our first image using the image generator by Naif J Alotaibi. In the chat box right here, you'll need to type a detailed description of the image you want to generate. The more specific you are, the better the result will be. For this example, let me put in my prompt right here, like a serene beach at afternoon sunset with palm trees and calm waves. Notice how I include details about the time of day, the setting right here, and other specific details like palm trees and calm waves right here. Yep. This helps the AI understand exactly what you want. Once you've entered your description right here in the input, hit enter. Now, watch as the magic will happen, as it currently is processing right now. In just a few moments, you'll see the generated image appear in the chat right here. The AI processes your description and creates a beautiful detailed image. Here we go. So this is what the result right here. This is just based on what your input right here. Looks great, doesn't it? To get the best results from the image generator, here are some useful tips. The more specific you are with your descriptions, the more accurate and tailored the generated image will be. For example, instead of a general prompt like a cityscape, so you could say a bustling cityscape at night with glowing neon signs, tall skyscrapers, and busy streets filled with people and cars. So let's see how the image generator would process with the input right here. Use descriptive language to convey colors, lighting, and key elements. For instance, instead of saying a forest, you could say a dense, misty forest with towering pine trees and a narrow, winding path covered in fallen leaves. Here we go. Let's see how ChatGPT with image generator would generate with how descriptive this prompt is. If the first result isn't perfect to you, try rephrasing your description or adding more details. Experimenting with different prompts can help you achieve the desired outcome. Don't be afraid to get creative and specific with your descriptions. Let's try a more complex example. Let's say a vibrant marketplace in Morocco at sunset with colorful stalls, lanterns hanging above, and people browsing the goods. So here we go. By following these tips, you'll be able to generate images that are more aligned with your vision and needs. Experiment and have fun with it. And here we go. So let's see how ChatGPT would process with this prompt right here. So in the meantime, while waiting for the image to process, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. And let's see. And here we go. This image generator can be incredibly useful for various purposes. Here are a few ways you can make the most out of this powerful tool. Imagine you need a futuristic cityscape for your blog. For example, you could type or put in your description prompt like, a futuristic cityscape with flying cars and towering skyscrapers. And within seconds, you have a unique tailor-made image. So here's my tip for this. Generate unique images for your art projects or digital content. Whether you're designing a website, creating social media posts, or working on a digital art piece, this tool can provide you with original visuals. As you can see, right here, he has given you two options. It depends on whichever you were satisfied with more. It depends. So let's say I'll pick this one. Let's generate another example. Suppose you're working on a story or presentation about medieval times. You could generate an image with a prompt like, a knight in shining armor standing in front of a majestic castle. Go to add a compelling visual to your narrative. Now let's hit send right here. So remember, create visuals to accompany your stories or presentations. Enhance your narratives with engaging images that bring your words to life, making your content more immersive and captivating, that is. So as you can see, here's the final result here. Looks stunning, isn't it? Now here's the last example I'd like to give you. So looking for artistic inspiration? Try generating an abstract image with a prompt like, an abstract painting with vibrant colors and swirling patterns. There we go. The resulting image could spark new ideas for your own creative projects. So let's hit send right here. So here's a tip. You can use generated images as a source of inspiration for your own artistic endeavors. Sometimes seeing a visual representation of your ideas can spark new creative directions and concepts. So here's the result right here. That's pretty stunning, isn't it? As you can see, the possibilities are endless. Whatever your project or purpose, the image generator can help you bring your vision to life in a matter of seconds. And that's a wrap on our beginner's guide to the image generator only on ChatGPT.